Emily, and I have had a wonderful experience here at the CFJ Coaching School. And the reason why I joined this course is because last year I was in the 10-month spiritual psychology program at the University of Santa Monica. And in about month 4 or 5, I had a moment where I was like, oh my gosh, I need to work with parents and families through their transition into parenthood. And at the time when I was at USM, I was pregnant with my first son. And with the tools and practices I learned at USM, I had a very peaceful experience. And I've done a lot of work in the birth world previously, but I felt a calling to be of support to parents in this transition, whether they're preconception or have 10-year-old or older children. But I had no idea how I was going to start this business, or if that was even possible. So when I heard about the school, I heard about it through my husband, who used to work with Carolyn, and I knew her from the gym. And he told me that this course was designed to help you create your business, or really designed to show you that there is a business with what you want to do. So going into this, I had no experience with this type of coaching. I'd been in the fitness world for years and have coached people for years, but this was completely brand new. So I went into this with confidence because I've had coaching experience, but very just open to the possibility of completely shifting my coaching practice into life coaching. And it has really given me so much confidence in my ability to not only do what I know how to do and do it well, but also make this a sustainable living for myself. And whether or not it came immediately or this is something that I'm ready to do full-time right now, I can see it in the future, and I have the tools and practices to help me get there. And for that, I am so grateful, because this really does feel like my calling and what I want to do, and now I can.